Okay, so give you guys the first bite. Okay, you guys, that's the chicken. Oh my God. There you guys go. You guys can get that first bite. Oops, my bad. There you guys go. Got it. Alrighty. Again, like I said, I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Hope you guys make this. Bye-bye. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I don't know if you guys ever had smothered fry, where really it's called. What I'm doing, I'm going to do the Asada, well, chicken Asada fries, smothered with green chili and cheese. It's Asada fry, well, with the chicken. And this is what kind of chicken I'm using, you guys. Because I'm going to make this quick and easy, you know, especially if some of you guys like young cook or, you know, look at my cooking channel, but want to learn how to cook a quick meal, you know, they call it beginner cook and stuff, especially when you're out on your own, you're doing your thing. But this is something for you guys as well. It's easy, easy, easy. Now, I always go to Sam Club. You know how they have the big packets of French fries? But what I used to do it, because I used to always put some in the freezer bag, you know, so that I won't have to just keep going and using it. But anyway, this is so simple, 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 easy, you guys. I guarantee. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook this all in my air fryer. The French fry, the chicken, and it's real easy because the chicken's already done, you guys, I guarantee. And the sauce, the chili that I'm using, you know, you could buy this. They got a restaurant called Santiago and stuff, but you can, you know, buy this in your local grocery store. I don't know if you guys have it, but this is how it looks inside. It's really, really good, you know. That's kind of sauce I'm using. They do put like peppers, you know, onion, red bell peppers and stuff. I'm telling you, this is so easy, you guys. And this is what kind of cheese I'm gonna use, you guys. This is I usually try to use shredded cheese, but I'm gonna use melted cheese. I think they put cheese on that. No, I think they put the cheddar cheese. Or the shredded cheese, I'm sorry. But because this is already melted and stuff, so I'm going to use this kind of cheese. Now, when you see this kind of season right here, I'm going to season my French fry, you know, with this type of season. I'm going to use garlic powder. And I might add this to my my chicken strip, my fajita. You know, kind of get a little flavor to it. And I might put some, you know, but all this season right here, I'm going to season with my, I'm going to blend everything up with my peppers and onion blend. So this way you see all these seasons. And I will show you guys, you know, what I'm going to do. But this is most of the season. I'm going to season my vegetable and my French fry. And I probably just only use this right here because this right here probably already seasoned because it's grilled. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so anyway, yeah, because I don't want to over season this, okay? But anyway, this is what I'm having for dinner. Oh, cumin as well. Yeah, that's cumin. It's in Mexican. But yeah, but if you want to go ahead and pause it and use the season that I use for my French fry and my vegetable, just pause this. Take a screenshot or whatever. you know. And I will have it like in my video, you know, the screenshot, you know, of everything. Okay, so I'm gonna get busy. And like I said, it's gonna go real quick. I really don't have to cook, you guys, you know. And this is so simple. You ever go to a Mexican restaurant and you want some smothered fry or steak fry, chicken fry, steak con asada, chicken con asada. This is so easy, you guys. You could just shop at your local grocery store. Yep. Yes. I guarantee. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my French fry and my peppers mixed together in my air fryer. This right here, I think you could do this, or you could do this in your microwave as well. Yeah, see on the back, you could do it in the microwave, or you could do it in the skillet, or I don't see where. I'm pretty sure you could just do it in your air fryer as well, because it's not going to take that long. But anyway, this is my dinner for tonight. Okay, I'll see you guys when I put everything together. Okay. Okay, you guys, so that's how it looked when I put in my air fryer. I seasoned my vegetable, and you saw the season that I used, you know. And also I seasoned the same seasoning that I used on my bell pepper. Okay, so that's how that look. I'm gonna go put it in the air fryer. Okay, so now you guys want to put my chicken in the air fryer. It's not gonna take that long. Maybe about, especially in the air fryer, maybe about 3 minutes. Yes, because it's already cooked. And this is the seasoning that I use, you guys. The chili powder. Just sprinkle. What I did, I just went ahead and just sprinkle, you know. What I did, I just sprinkle, you know, just sprinkle. And yeah. And like I said, I think, even though they say grill, I'm gonna look on the back to see what kind of season that season is with. But yeah, but this is what I just put on it. Chili powder ranch. I love this right here. Garlic powder, paprika, oregano, cilantro. And I'm going to put in air fryers. Okay, you guys, so that's my chicken, season, all that. And I'm put in the air fryer. Okay, you guys, this is how I'm gonna do my chicken. See how long I'm gonna dice it up. Okay. Oh my God. You guys need to, if you ever want to do the chicken asada fry, and with the season that I season with, oh my God, it is good. I told you, sometimes you buy that grilled chicken, they don't really be seasoned, they just grill it. But yes, oh my God, a plus. I get it season 10. Not because I cooked it, but it's just awesome. Yes, indeed. Okay, you guys, so I put my French fry on my plate, and this is, look at all that good season. And I did this all in my air fryer. Wowza. Okay, so I put my vegetable on top. I'm gonna spread this out. I started, well, it don't matter, because I was gonna put my cheese, some of the cheese, you know, with my on my French fry, but I'm gonna spread it out, so it'll be okay. Okay, so put some cheese, kind of spread it around, just like this. Wowza. See how I'm doing it? I'm just gonna spread it all over. Okay, see how I did it? That cheese, wowza. And next, I'm gonna go, my hands is clean, so yeah. Just gonna sprinkle the chicken like that, see? Okay, see how I did the chicken, grilled chicken. Boy, that looks so delicious. Wow, I hope you guys make this. Especially if you are a beginner cook. Oh my God, this is so easy, I guarantee. Yes. Now I'm going to put my green chili on top and some more of that cheese. I just have to get closer to that cheese. Wow. Okay, so now put the green chili. And I forgot to tell you guys, this green chili, I think they got pork. So you see how I'm doing it? Just spread it over the chicken. Wow, so this looks so good, you guys. Oh my goodness. See that? Wow. Okay, you guys, so I just did it like this. And that's my carne asada chicken carne asada. Okay, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any question. Just write it down in my description. But anyway, if you guys already always coming back to my cooking channel, but you guys haven't subscribed yet, please be kind and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, thank you guys so much. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. God bless. I really appreciate you guys. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Till then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Whoa. That is some carne asada chicken. Well, chicken carne asada. And again, you want to see how I make this, just keep watching this video. Alrighty.